Welcome to the wonder world of learning. It is the magical place to explore, learn and have fun. Today we are going to learn English alphabets A to Z with words in a magical way. Let me tell you the story of a boy named Ion. Ion is a curious 5-year-old boy who receives a colorful ABC book from his mother. He loves to learn new things. So he handled the book with bright eyes from his smiling mother in a cozy home. He and his mother know that now he can learn all the alphabets with words in an imaginary way that helps him to remember all of them. They are so excited to start. So let's start with them. A is for apple. Ion holding a shiny red apple, excitement. B is for ball. Ion happily bouncing a colorful ball on the floor. C is for cat. Ion gently petting a fluffy kitten on his arms. D is for dog. A barking dog wagging its tail next to Ion, who is holding his cat. E is for elephant. Ion pointing at a giant gray elephant in a book. F is for fish. Ion watching colorful fish swimming in a glass aquarium. G is for grapes. Ion eating juicy green and purple grapes from a plate with a happy smile. H is for hat. Ion wearing a big hat that covers his eyes. Boy wearing an oversized floppy hat that covers his eyes, and he giggled. I is for ice cream. Ion enjoying a cone of strawberry ice cream. J is for jelly. Ion watching a jiggly red jelly on a plate. K is for kite. Ion flying rainbow-colored kite under a blue sky with clouds. L is for lion. Ion roaring like a lion next to a picture of a lion in a jungle book. M is for moon. Ion looking at the glowing moon at night out from his room's window. N is for nest. Ion pointing at a bird's nest on a tree branch. O is for orange. Ion trying to peel the squeezy orange by himself. P is for panda. Ion looking at panda in his book in awe and consider himself with the beautiful panda. Q is for quail. Ion is playing with the quails in a lush green meadows. R is for rainbow. Ion pointing at a rainbow in the sky after rain in awe. S is for sun. Sun shining in a blue sky. Ion standing in a garden with arms wide open. T is for tiger. Ion growling playfully like a tiger with a paws up. U is for umbrella. Ion holding a small umbrella in the rain. V is for van. Ion pointing at a van passing by the house from the gate. W is for watch. Ion wearing a colorful toy watch on his wrist and checking time with curious face. X is for xylophone. Ion playing a rainbow-colored xylophone. Y is for yolk. Ion can see the yellow yolk of whole egg in his plate. Z is for zebra. Ion cheering while pointing at a zebra in a grassland. Ion knew all 26 letters and the words that came with them. His mother clapped and said, "You've done it.
Thanks for watching.
You've learned the whole
Please
alphabet."
like, share, and subscribe
From that
my
day
channel,
on,
and don't forget to press the bell icon.